Sir, this is agriculture category project, is sir. Gravity based irrigation project we did through Manrega, sir.
Okay.
So Jambul Kheda is a village, sir. On 1st May 2019, there was a major blast.
At which serial number?
So this is
basically this project was scheduled in next batch 11 to 12:40, but since Mr. Deepak has another
no problem.
So he requested to schedule in this batch only.
Okay.
So sir, we have put up this project under agriculture category. Jambul Kheda is a village. When in 1st May 2019, sir, a big blast happened in this village, sir, and we lost unfortunately 15 Jawans in that blast by the Naxal, sir. So this village has a special importance for Gadchiroli district, sir. So this village is in this block, sir, Kurkheda block. This is the northernmost block, and this part is our infected Naxal part, sir. So project, what is the project, sir? The project was sanctioned under Manrega. It was a humongous project, and nobody believed that this project will actually work or will help in solving the problem. We took this project under Manrega, and actual work started in 2018, sir, and this work was completed last year only with participation of community. So what was the objective of this project? So there is only, our area is rain-fed area, and there was an old tank which was available near to almost 2 kilometers away from that village, and the villager wanted, the canal system to be created and the water through gravity to be taken up to their to the farms, so that they can take up their rabi crop also, the second crop also. So there was no way how to do it. So we took up this project under Narega. So the purpose was doubling the income of beneficiary income, as our Honorable Prime Minister has envisaged, and this can be achieved only by providing irrigation facility or around the year irrigation facility for taking the second or third crop. So the project of core objective was to rejuvenate and replicate the traditional irrigation system, which is known as Mal Gujari tanks in Gadchiroli, sir, to increase the irrigated area in the land. So what is the innovation? Innovation is that, sir, it is community participation based. It is through the existing schemes of Manrega, and to create such a project which is sometime not feasible or not seen as feasible under the Narega scheme. And this is a pure gravity fed irrigation system. One of our junior engineer in irrigation department took this initiative, and with the help of people of village and forest department, we were able to achieve this success of this project. So what we did in this, we created 2.1 kilometer of canals, and there was a 610 square meter long. It's not 600 meter, it's a 600 square meter tank capacity. So we revived it, we rejuvenated it through Narega, and we took a canal from that place up to the village, and we were able to provide water through these canals in these farms. So we have created 2.35 square kilometer of catchment area. 14,500 person days were generated under Manrega in last 3 years for this project. Crop productivity has increased by 25 to 30%, as less amount of water is required, and they are able to also take the second crop. So using existing resources, the farmer is able to increase this income. 206 farmers have been benefited with this project, and water user groups have been created to ensure the sustainability of this project. So I have already mentioned that 30 lakh rupees were transferred under Manrega payments, and rest of the payments for labor was contributed as Shramdan by the people of the Jambul Kheda village. This I have already, and now how it is making sustainable, we have created water user group, which is taking the repair and maintenance of its existing canals, and they regularly desealed this tank so that water efficiency is maintained. And so what is this is a gravity led. We have created at a height, there is a tank, and we have created canal system under this Narega project. Water travels through those canals up to 2 kilometers to all the farms of these villagers, and for there they have been able to take up the new crop. So there were again challenges. Geographical challenge was there, because as I already told you, a blast happened in this village, and this is an Naxal affected village. So it was a challenge to create this kind of infrastructure in this village without, with the support of villagers. It would not have been possible without community participation. And systematic issue was there, because this Forest Conservation Act came in India in 1980 and implemented in 1981. So the canal entire land was an issue. How to acquire that land? So we put up that proposal under Forest Right Act, and through their help of forest department, we were able to acquire that land, and we were able to overcome the issue of land, because there was no money to acquire the 1 hectare land under forest from any of the scheme basically. So these were some of the bottlenecks which we overcome. Replicability is cost effective, as only 30 lakhs rupees have been transferred. If you see such kind of project, if we have to take for irrigation, at least 20 to 30 CR will have to spend to create the entire system. So we use existing tank, repaired it, created new canals, and provided the water to all the villages. So only 30 lakhs rupees were spent on the labor payment. Some construction cost was also there. So water user groups we can easily create. People take participation, community participation help in maintaining such kind of projects, and then they can easily scale up to other areas as well. And multi-cropping and irrigation, this helps in creating doubling the income, as productivity as well the production both increases for the farmers, and they are able to generate additional income through rabi crops also. So now they are taking chana in this area, they are taking wheat also, they are taking cost effective crops, which helps in increasing the doubling the income. But it's way forward now. Now Tata Trust has involved into desilting 100 Malgujari talabs. Already 25 Malgujari talabs work has been completed. So we are creating an additional capacity which have been silted because of continuous flow of silt and sand. And now we have also started a project called Lakpati Kisan, again with the help of Tata Trust, where we are benefiting 1,000 families, where we are converging all the benefits, existing benefits, and providing new benefits on a community scale, so that farmers' income can be doubled up for these 1,000 farmers in 20 villages we have taken this project. So this is a small PPT. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepak. Just tell me one thing, any specific reason for selecting this village?
Sir, there was, first of all, there was a lot of demand from this village, that because of this tank existed in 1980, and at that time some canal system was there, but it was destroyed over the time. And second, sir, this was a Naxal affected village. Whenever we do some work in Naxal affected villages, we gain the trust of the people of those villages, sir. As I already told you, 15 Jawans were lost in 2019 because of that blast in Jambul Kheda village. This project helped us in getting the confidence of people.
What is the average rainfall in this area?
Sir, 1400 millimeters, sir, in Gadchiroli district.
Okay.
But Kurkheda Taluka receives somewhere 1100 millimeters, sir.
And how much is the increase in income? Have you done any study or?
Sir, increase in income per farmer is around, sir, 20,000 rupees annual income has been increased, because now they are taking second crop, sir, basically. So wheat or chana, we have assessed that because of that they are able to take up second crop, which contributes per acre 20,000 rupees, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Any more questions, sir?
From my side, no question. Sharma ji, you have? I think he's not there. It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I request everyone to vote for the projects for this batch on the board which is on your screen.